What is Aglaonema pictum tricolor? As a plant enthusiast, I've always been drawn to unique and eye-catching variegated houseplants, and the Aglaonema pictum tricolor is no exception. With its striking army-like camouflage pattern and glossy oval leaves, it's no wonder this plant has become a prized possession among plant lovers. In this comprehensive guide, I'll delve into the characteristics, care tips, common problems, propagation methods, and more about the Aglaonema pictum tricolor, also known as the Chinese evergreen tricolor. See more 26 species in genus Aglaonema at monsteraholic.com. Characteristics of Aglaonema pictum tricolor. The Aglaonema pictum tricolor, a member of the Aglaonema genus in the Araceae family, is a slow-growing subtropical shrub. This plant is native to the slopes of volcanoes in Sumatra and Nias Island, where it thrives at elevations of 3,280 to 6,561 feet, 1,000 to 2,000 meters. With its three different leaf colors, dark green, bright green, and white spots, the plant exhibits a stunning army-like camouflage pattern, which earned it the nickname camouflage plant. The leaves of Aglaonema pictum tricolor are longer than they are wide, and the plant boasts thick woody stems. However, finding this beautiful specimen can be quite a challenge, as it is rare and highly sought after. Additionally, the plant's rarity contributes to its high price, making it a coveted gem among collectors. How to care for Aglaonema pictum tricolor? To ensure that your Aglaonema pictum tricolor thrives and retains its mesmerizing variegation, follow these care guidelines. Soil: provide well-draining, nutrient-rich soil with a mix of orchid bark, perlite, and peat. Avoid compact soil, as these plants prefer airy and well-draining conditions. Light: place the plant in a location with bright indirect sunlight. Avoid exposing it to direct sunlight, as this can cause leaf burns. Watering: keep the soil slightly moist at all times, but be cautious not to overwater. Aglaonema pictum tricolor does not tolerate dry periods or overwatering well. Temperature: maintain a temperature range of 60 degrees Fahrenheit to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 16 degrees Celsius to 29 degrees Celsius. Avoid exposing the plant to temperatures below 50 degrees Fahrenheit 10 degrees Celsius. Humidity: aim for humidity levels above 65%, as these plants thrive in high humidity environments. If possible, provide a terrarium or pebble tray to maintain adequate humidity. Fertilizer: feed the plant with a diluted fertilizer at half the recommended strength every 2 weeks during the growing season, spring and summer. Avoid fertilizing during autumn and winter when the plant is not actively growing. How to propagate Aglaonema pictum tricolor? There are several methods for propagating Aglaonema pictum tricolor, including stem cuttings, division, root cuttings, propagation from seeds, and tissue culture. Stem cuttings and division are the most common and straightforward ways to propagate this unique plant. To propagate via stem cuttings: identify a healthy section of the plant with several leaves and nodes. Make a clean cut below a node using sanitized pruning shears or scissors. Root the cutting in water, soil, cocoa coir, sphagnum moss, or perlite. After approximately 25 to 45 days, the cutting will develop roots and grow into a new plant. Common problems and solutions. Brown leaves. Brown leaves can indicate either underwatering or insufficient humidity. Ensure the soil remains slightly moist and maintain humidity levels above 65%. Yellow leaves. Yellow leaves are a sign of overwatering. Check the root system for signs of root rot if you spot yellowing leaves. Drooping leaves. Leaves may droop due to excessive sunlight or underwatering. Adjust the plant's location or watering routine accordingly. Frequently asked questions. Where can I buy an Aglaonema pictum tricolor? These plants are challenging to find but may be available through specialty plant shops, online exotic plant web shops, or individual sellers on social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Is the Aglaonema pictum tricolor color real? Yes, the variegated pattern of the Aglaonema pictum tricolor is natural and not artificially induced. Is Aglaonema pictum tricolor difficult to care for? This plant requires specific conditions, such as warm temperatures and high humidity, making it more suitable for experienced plant caregivers. What humidity level does Aglaonema pictum tricolor need? A humidity level above 65% is essential for these tropical plants to thrive. Terrariums or pebble trays can help maintain high humidity levels. How much does Aglaonema pictum tricolor cost? Due to its rarity and demand, this plant can range in price from $150 to $450, depending on the location and availability. Aglaonema pictum bicolor versus tricolor. The Aglaonema pictum bicolor only has two colors on its leaves, giving it more of a marbled appearance, while the Aglaonema pictum tricolor has three colors on its leaves and has a more camouflage pattern. Conclusion. The Aglaonema pictum tricolor is undoubtedly a stunning addition to any plant collection, but it requires precise care and attention to thrive. Its captivating camouflage pattern and glossy leaves make it a highly sought-after plant among collectors and enthusiasts alike. By providing the right growing conditions and following the propagation guidelines, you can enjoy the beauty of this elusive houseplant for years to come. Remember to maintain high humidity, avoid overwatering, and place the plant in bright, indirect sunlight to ensure its health and vibrancy. With proper care, the Aglaonema pictum tricolor will reward you with its striking appearance and captivating charm, making it a prized possession in any plant lover's home.